Starting January 1st, boys and girls under the age of 18 will be banned from buying cough syrup in Florida. Florida joins at least 11 other states around the country who have similar bans. Officials say millions nationwide drink large quantities of cough medicine to get high, but it can lead to dangerous side effects, including liver damage, even death.
It's mainly found in syrups. Most people know it as like this syrup. You also can find it in other pills and tablets and capsule formulations, but those are more rare.
Violators could face fines. Officials hope this law can help curb this drug threat.